Okay, so how to assemble your advent calendar box. Take your box, preferably with a flat surface. A ruler always helps. Take each of the folds in turn, put the ruler along the fold, bend the card over. If you've got something nice and hard, run it over, create a nice straight fold.
You can do that with your fingers.
We've got one there, do the other fold here. Just using a roller to protect the card underneath so it doesn't bend over. And bend it down. When you've got those two in place, you can do the sides. So again, just pre-bending those over. Once you fold everything in, fold it over. So the last piece to do is just to fix it together. Hold that down in place. Pull off the protector on the double-sided tape. Fold it over. And again, just push down. And you should be able to just put your hand in and pop that final edge up. And again, just run really hard down it. And then you should be able to fold all the edges in. The other side. It's always easier when you've done a few.